Mbunge nene ikw'u umunthi niyoosa isaa yiima syikaloni sya umunthi kuneenanisya maandamano ma ikw'u na mawanangiko ala makusiiiwe kwi Iyoo muthenya ula wiivaniiwe kwithiwa ni wa kulilikana muutia wa maandamano ma kuleana na finance bill ya mwaka muvitu ila yatiiye maininiva amuika 60 akw'u mokoni maovisaa ma volisi Kikaloni ki ayumbe mulengoni wa broad based ni manena kwa sya mulumu maiweta ateti ana nimo manaungamite maandamano vala meenda serikali imwikie mbini ulona imunini wa President Rigathi Gachagua maimukonania na kuvangithia maandamano ni uneni ula ayumbe kuma siamani ila si ulaini oyu mauvuthiisya vala makulia serikali yethukisya maungunganisyo ma amuika vandu va kuendeea kutumia nzia nthuku sya kuwa kana kuumisya amuika beni mwaka ni watiiye syikaloni sya mbunge na atumbanisya Iyoo.
I hope you have all seen the order paper.
Ni unenanya ula kuma mwambioni wielekele kasilani katheu ayumbe mulengoni wa serikali ya broad based wakumwilila mavitu olona imunini wa President Rigathi Gachagua makusola na kuvangithia maandamano akw'u Iyoo ala makusiiiwe ikw'u na wanangiko wa mali ya mamilioni ma mbesa maandamano ala manatwaiwe kauntini mbewa miongo ili nguthu ya ayumbe mulengoni wa serikali thiitongoiwe ni ndongo yalani ni mbungeni Junet Mohamed.
It was not a Gen Z demonstration. It was a demonstration that was organized politically in this country, Mr. Speaker. And you can see where it happened. It took place in Nyeri. That is where Rigathi Gachagua comes from. It took place in Madira. It took place in Kisii.
I did say here last year during the impeachment process of the former deputy president that this is a dark man with a very dark heart. That is why, Honorable Speaker, we are asking the Inspector General of Police. It cannot rest at this. Nobody, not Kimani Ichung'wah, not Rigathi Gachagua, not the sitting members of parliament in this house, Honorable Speaker, who are doing this work, and some 2 senators, Honorable Speaker. And as Honorable Junet Mohamed has said, if you look at the trajectory of violence and destruction that visited, you can associate that violence with a particular politician.
Ateo hamwe mayumbe alame uritini wa uleyo yuni mavuthisya uke wa uno meweta nongina mathina mukuli ala amuika amenda mathini kiwe ni serikali meaniiwe mbewa kwambia Kutula Muti atetiana vatena ukusio na umwe umakonanya na maandamano ano.
I, however, would also like to caution we need to be also talking about the issues that have been raised by Gen Zs.
Let us not trivialize this thing. I've seen there's an attempt to try and malign certain individuals out of yesterday's activities. Mr. Speaker, this was spontaneous and it was done across the country.
There is a lot of hopelessness. There is a lot of desperation. And this is the thing which we should actually be addressing. How can we help our other Gen Zs? How can we help the young people? We should not continue condemning other people who do not have instruments of power.
Na mwayumbe mulengoni wa chama cha DCP alamekete kolona imunini wa President Rigathi Gachagua mende sito ya Gachagua hivetango viunena nyani maiweta maandamano ama na atoi isioni mbinge dhenima ni kwithiwa unu wasya wa amuika nthionthe ula serikali thiende kuvuthisya.
Was Honorable Rigathi in Homa Bay? Was Honorable Rigathi in Mombasa? Was Honorable Rigathi in Kakamega? Was Honorable Rigathi everywhere?
The country is angry because the youth do not have a job. The country is angry because there's overtaxation. The country is angry because the government has refused to listen to them.
Speaker Moses Wetangula ni umania siko sya maovisaa ma volisi kutumia vino vitukite ikw'u sya amuika vamwe nongi wa mali ya nene iweta ni uvathukanu na meao na siko hii ya ila kuitikilwa kukite kona vanini Wetangula na nene manengenda ya serikali na kumekwata mbau.
The events of yesterday should alarm all of you and all of us Kenyans that we need to speak to each other and make our country safe. It is wrong, it's unlawful, is unconstitutional and unacceptable.
Kuma vamusi nilovi delivotea vilingwa mauvonye nitawa Benjamin mwaka.